step 2. Now, I've sanded a little bit of this already just to show, so you don't need to sit here and watch all that. But anyways, easy way to get your excess fiberglass off. Look at that, perfect. Alright, look at that. Comes right off easy. No nicks, scratches, perfect lines. Okay, so as you see, I masked off so I don't go below that line, because that would be a issue there. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue sanding through here and up through there, smooth this out real good, and then I'm going to mask the entire front of the cowling and the inside of the cowling, because if you don't, every little hole, your paint will find a way through it, and it will be primer overspray on everything. So I'm going to keep sanding, smooth this out a little bit. And then once I mask this whole front end off, I'm going to use, you can use wet sanding 2000, scuff pad, whatever you decide. And I'm going to go through and make sure that I have a good adhesive surface, that it's nice and roughed up but not too much. You want it to be smooth. Remember, you cannot paint scratches. They will never go away. They will only get worse. You won't fill paint like primer. But I'm going to go through this whole front end and make this all one coat. And perfect. That way, after I've sanded my primer down, the front nose bowl, or cowl nose, will be as if I replaced it with a brand new one. Keep tuned.